Hi, this is Daniel Fernback from MarineMax Brick, New Jersey, standing here in front of the Scout 275 Dorado. Let's go take a look. First thing you're going to notice is a through-hull windlass with a stainless steel anchor, extremely large bow flare, and really nice, gorgeous color. This is the Rascal Blue by Scout. On the 275, you'll also notice it has a nice molded hardtop, which gives it a great flow and look to the boat. Let's step aboard. As you come aboard, you can see it has the new style Mercury 200s. Seating is paramount in this boat. Behind the first seat, which just can actually flip down and act as a boarding point from both the starboard or port sides, you're going to have a ski pylon that goes over the engine cabins. Seats that wrap all the way around here, and as you can see as an example on this one, extremely easy and comfortable to use. You have live wells and storage lockers, cups underneath at every single point, fish boxes below that are insulated, more storage, an optional sink on the one side, and also tackle storage. Moving forward, it has a Garmin, it has the Fusion stereo, and this one has the upgraded JL audio. If you look up, you're going to see it has light that actually cascades through, handlebars to hold on to, you have rocket launchers back there, and then forward and aft facing speakers up top. One of the really nice things about Scout is for the visibility. The stanchions are on the side like here, and you're going to have the curved glass for aesthetic and style. Forward, you're actually inside the boat, which is really nice. It goes all the way up on your back, so you feel like you're inside the boat. And then standard on the Dorado and LXF series, you're going to have this fold-out table with insulated cooler box. I really hope you like the walkthrough of the 275 Scout Dorado. For more information, you can give me a call at 908-330-2727. Thank you.